is basically something that you get when you buy the bike. ये मेरी बहुत काम की चीज़ है. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with my first vlog for this year. साल का जो नया वीडियो मैं बनाने वाला हूँ एक बहुत स्पेशल बाइक के साथ बनाने वाला हूँ, and which is actually a bike which I just saw recently and I absolutely fell in love with it. In a few moments मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि वो बाइक कौन सा है. It's a very very special bike. I'm going to enter in the showroom right now. I'm going to show you what this is all about.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down.
So this is the BMW R18 and जैसा मैंने कहा, isn't this the most amazing looking cruiser bike ever? BMW का सबसे पहला cruiser bike है and trust me, they've done a fabulous job in designing this. Specs तो आपने देख लिया है बाइक का. अभी in a bit आपको मैं मेरे दोस्त से मिलाने वाला हूँ जो basically यहाँ का शोरूम जो BMW नवनीत मोटर्स का जो मोटोराज शोरूम है रन करते हैं. उसके बाद आपको कैसा ये बाइक साउंड करता है वो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ. So that's Mitra and he's gonna tell you mask. I mean I was wearing the mask by the way, but just वीडियो के लिए बिकॉज ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं आता है हमको निकालना पड़ता है कभी कभी, विच इज़ फाइन. स्टोर इज कम्प्लीटली सैनिटाइज. प्लीज मित्र, ऑल योर्स.
So R18, it's our classic heritage lineup. 1800cc boxer, the biggest boxer that has been made. It's a mammoth. It's something gorgeous that you ride it and you can also park it in your living room. Something very cool to the R18 exclusively is the launch kit that we give along with the motorbike is something I should show it to you.
So this is basically something that you get when you buy the bike. Have a look at what they offer. Mask है पहना.
This is to welcome you to the Motorrad and to the R18 family. This is your coffee table book,
Nice.
which is how the R18 started, the history on BMW Motorrad. A trucker hat which says R18 first
ये
edition.
मेरी बहुत काम की चीज़ है, but हाँ ये भी available है.
Gloves for when you wanna work on your motorbike. The belt with the belt buckle which says R18.
Lovely.
These are the emblems which you either put it on the tank of your motorbike या तो फिर आप आपके जैकेट पे भी माउंट कर सकते हो. So this is the one.
And उसके साथ में आपको एक छोटा वो स्क्रू ड्राइवर टाइप भी मिलता है जो basically you can use to screw it on the jacket or the tank. Very cool. So anyway, back to the bike, Mitra. You guys have offered a reverse gear in this also. Do we have an option of that in this model or do we not?
So reverse gear is available, sadly not in India. In India there is a certain spec that it comes in. उसमें reverse gear नहीं है. But आता है, global variant has it.
So that was something that I was very excited when I heard that there's a reverse gear. हम जब ये बाइक्स जब पार्क करते हैं और थोड़ा भी अगर इंक्लाइन हो या डिक्लाइन हो और अगर मैं बाइक बराबर से नहीं लगाता हूँ, रिवर्स में करना इज़ जान निकल जाती है. कभी कभी ऐसे जो साइड में जो चल रहे हैं उनको बोलना पड़ता है बाइक खींचो, बहुत एम्बैरसिंग टाइम होता है. सो व्हेन आई हर्ड दैट देयर वाज अ रिवर्स गियर इन दिस, इट वाज टोटली लाइक इट ब्लू माई माइंड बिकॉज आई थिंक ओनली गोल्डविंग has a reverse gear. Not many bikes have it, so having it is like a luxury on this bike. But unfortunately, India वाले version में available नहीं है. But is it possible to have it in the future?
Retrofitted, not really,
not
but
really.
there is a variant which will come down in
Right.
the future जिसमें होगा.
Right. Okay, great. So there is some good news in the future. All right. So basically, what I also want to know is about the modes that you have on this bike.
So I would rather show it to you. So you start with the rain mode, which is the smoothest road, and what that does is you still get the full 91 bhp, but the delivery is smoother. The throttle response is smoother. the ABS kicks in a little more earlier, and so does the traction control. The second mode that you have is roll. Think of that is something that you can use daily. In this, जो throttle response आपका होगा वो थोड़ा और crisp हो जाएगा. ABS थोड़ा बाद में kick in होगा. Traction control is also थोड़ा बाद में kick in होता है. The last one that you have is rock mode, and as the name suggests, you go full rock on this one. So the traction control is not off, but it's the least intrusive. ABS is not off, but the least intrusive. And जो आपका throttle response है, वो is the most direct. That's that.
Nice. So मोस्ट ऑफ द फीचर्स तो हमने कवर कर लिया. बट मुझे पता है कि आप लोग किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हो, ये बाइक साउंड कैसे करता है. बेसिकली अभी बाइक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एंड यू आर गोना सी हाउ दिस बाइक साउंड्स. अभी टेस्ट राइड का टाइम आ गया है. आई नो यू गाइस आर वेटिंग फॉर इट, सो दिस इज़ द बाइक हियर. तो दिस बेबी को अभी मैं राउंड पे लेके जाने वाला हूँ और आपको बताने वाला हूँ व्हाट दिस फील्स लाइक ऑन द रोड, ऑन मुंबई का रोड.
No, no. Oh, ain't no one gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah. No. Never gonna stop now, baby.
Alright guys, मेरा टेस्ट राइड शुरू हो गया है एंड राइट ऑफ द बैट दिस बाइक सीम्स ह्यूमंगस. आई मीन एक तो मेरा you guys already know I ride a fat boy, but ये fat boy के बावजूद because of the boxer engines protruding out of the bike, ये आपको जो दिख रहा है नीचे, it is absolutely humongous guys. ये मतलब बाइक का जो फील जो है इज़ अनबिलीवेबल. सो एक बार मैं अपना जो एक्साइटमेंट है वो हटा देता हूँ बोल के, और उसके बाद हम टेक्निकलिटीज़ में घुसेंगे. Another thing that I noticed guys, the moment you start this bike, the bike vibrates like anything. It moves from side to side. Bike की जो seating position है is very different, very comfortable. Upright position है, handlebars भी quite comfortable है. फ़िलहाल तो मैं फ़ीचर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ. बहुत जल्दी आपको बताऊँगा कि what I don't like or like about this bike. I think इसमें lean angle भी is something that you should consider because the boxer engines, like they protrude होते हैं बाहर. There is a problem of leaning. आप ज़्यादा lean करोगे तो you will definitely end up scraping your cylinders. Foot pegs तो वैसे ही touch होते हैं. Another thing you should consider when you're buying this bike is that you must check with BMW अगर उनके पास क्रैश गार्ड्स वाले ऑप्शन है. क्रैश गार्ड्स तो इसमें डेफिनेटली लगने चाहिए बिकॉज जो इंजन है आप साइड में जो बाइक्स जा रही हैं, जो कार्स जा रही है, पीपल डोंट फॉलो टू मच ऑफ डिसिप्लिन हियर, सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट इट स्क्रैप्ड ऑन अदर कार्स एंड बाइक्स. तो वो एक आपको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. लाइक इवन राइट नाउ मैं चला रहा हूँ तो मैं बहुत कॉन्शियस हूँ इस बात का कि साइड से कोई जा रहा है तो लगे नहीं बाइक पे, स्क्रैच ना हो बाइक पे. So that's another thing which is something that you should take care of. Another thing जो मैंने immediately notice किया is that the suspension of the bike very comfortable. Actually मेरे जो फैट बॉय से ज़्यादा comfortable है इसका suspension. I'm very impressed by it. I think technology wise BMW को कोई beat नहीं कर सकता. I think BMW brings the best technology that's available. The exhaust note sounds brilliant. मुझे पता नहीं आपको sound कितना आता होगा अभी फ़िलहाल, but when I rev it up beyond 2000 RPM, it is absolutely beautiful. The engine opens up and a beautiful sound is let out. Low RPM में actually इसका sound ज़्यादा है नहीं. Once you rev it up, it really shows you its true colors. Another thing is that इसमें जो features है काफ़ी काम के हैं. Usually ये segment में कोई features आपको मिलता नहीं है cruiser bikes में, but इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा features दिया हुआ है. You know, it's gonna take a while to get used to the moving around of the engine. ये engine जो left right move होता है, it's actually slow speeds में you kind of like go off balance. Otherwise vibration के हिसाब से you don't feel any vibrations. हाथ पे कोई vibration नहीं है, पैर पे कोई vibration नहीं है, butt पे कोई vibration नहीं है. It's absolutely a vibration-less bike. But yeah, the engine does move quite a bit. Otherwise आप color की बात करें and all that, it's a beautiful black bike with those chrome accents. It looks beautiful. मतलब I don't have any words to describe. And also another thing जो मैंने इसके pictures देखे हैं, in reality the bike is even more prettier. Like the pictures don't do justice to the bike at all. इसका जो sheer size है आपको pictures पे बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चलेगा. It looks like a regular bike actually, but real life में it is huge. I love the tachometer in the front. Very classic design. So anyway, I'm going to tell you some things that I like about this bike and some things that I don't. I'll start with what I don't like about this bike. So first of all, I think there's something that's really जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा है, is the fact that there is no option of forward controls. अभी ये जो bike है, it's a cruiser bike, and cruiser bikes में the real fun is when you keep your feet forward and you cruise on the highway. But इसमें वो option है ही नहीं, because और वो कर भी नहीं सकते, because this has an engine. यहाँ पर आपका जो cylinder है वो ये आपको दिख ही रहा है. So there's no scope of putting it ahead. Second thing that I don't like about this bike, although this can be like a very subjective thing, I'm not a huge fan of spoked wheels. I mean, I think that's like quite yesterday for me, but I know I get the whole the direction the designers were going for, which is a very classic feel. I'm not a fan of spoked wheels. I prefer my alloys. Another thing that I think I don't like about the bike is that this bike has no fuel gauge. Isme there is no chance of finding out how much fuel you have left in the bike. That is actually quite bad. आजकल के ज़माने में every single bike has that option of having a fuel gauge, but इसमें नहीं है, and that is it doesn't give you too much confidence when you're on the road. Another thing I don't like about this bike is that India वाला जो version है, this is the Indian R18, इसमें they have not given the reverse gear option. इसका जो reverse gear है, it is actually a very useful thing. जब when you're riding a bike of this size, तो जब भी आप कोई incline या इस पे पार्क करते हो और आपको reverse करना है और आप अकेले हो, you are stuck. There is no chance you can actually take this bike, pull it by yourself. So then आपको reverse gear का बहुत आपको जो इम्पोर्टेंस है आपको पता चलता है. मेरे फैट बॉय में कई बार 1-2 बार ऐसा हुआ है. अभी तो आई फिगर्ड आउट अ वे ऑफ हाउ नॉट टू गेट स्टक, बट इनिशियली व्हेन यू स्टॉप इन अ प्लेस एंड वो इंक्लाइन है, ओ माय गॉड, इट इज़ क्रेजी. यू कैन नॉट पुल द बाइक आउट. आप कितना भी बॉडी बना लो, कुछ भी कर लो, इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू पुल द बाइक आउट. सो दीज आर सम थिंग्स दैट आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट द बाइक. So let's talk about what I like about the bike. Okay, the bike looks absolutely beautiful. It is a head turner. आप जिधर भी जाओगे, जहाँ पर भी आप बाइक को खड़ी करो या चलाओ, people are going to look at it. People are going to come and ask you questions, and that's amazing. When you buy a bike, when you spend so much money, upward of 25 lakhs, you want something that looks like you've spent that much money. So yeah, that for me that is incredibly important. Secondly, what I like about the bike is the feel of the bike. The feel, it's absolutely like this is around 345 kgs guys. It's मतलब मेरा fat boy 322 kgs का और ये 345 kgs का है. So this is, although not much of a difference, but it is so easy to maneuver, and part of that credit goes to the fact that ये जो bike है mid controls है, and the tires are not as fat. The front is 120 and the rear is 160, so that also adds a lot in terms of maneuverability. I can really move the bike around like it's a regular bike. Also, I've been riding this bike for a while now. Traffic में भी चला रहा हूँ, and ये बाइक में बिल्कुल भी हीटिंग का इशू नहीं है. And I am, although the cylinders are right next to my leg, it has absolutely no heating at all. इसके जो 3 riding modes है, rain, rock and roll, that's pretty cool also. On my channel guys, I keep saying, अगर आपने वो बाइक मेरे चैनल पे देखा है, that means I really personally like the bike. I usually do my research and I try to showcase bikes that are really like a complete package. So there you go. Just got a thumbs up from somebody. So that's what it is, guys. It's just such a beautiful bike, such a good looking bike ki you cannot take your eyes off. Whether you hate the brand, love the brand, or like the bike or not, you cannot take your eyes off the bike. That's what it's like to ride this bike. जो mid controls है, although I don't like the mid controls at all, I don't know, ऐसा लगता है कि pot पे बैठा हूँ. Right? But jokes apart, guys, I mean it's not my kind of style. I like it when my legs are in the forward. But yeah, the benefit of having the mid controls is that Bombay में potholes बहुत हैं. The roads are not the best here in the city. So what happens is कि आपको control ज़्यादा मिलता है. That's a very good thing. तो मैंने अभी इसको rock mode में लिया है, and suddenly the power has gone up a notch. मैं अभी हल्का से मैं accelerator turn कर रहा हूँ और ये bike तो take off कर रहा है. So the difference is amazing. So it's a beautiful bike, incredibly comfortable. The braking is fantastic. Obviously अगर आप 25 lakhs आप के bikes लेते हो, you pretty much get everything that you want. So without a doubt, it's a fantastic bike, and let's rip this for now. But overall, guys, it's a fabulous bike. Yeah, if you can ignore the fact that इसमें fuel gauge नहीं है, or this bike needs a fuel gauge desperately, up that's not something that आज के डेट में जो बाइक्स बनती हैं, you cannot not have a fuel gauge on the bike. So अगर आप वो aspect को ignore कर सकते हैं, and probably the exposed shaft drive, which can be dangerous if you manage to get something stuck in the shaft drive, it's not going to be very pretty. So if you ignore stuff like that, I think it's a pretty great bike. मैंने open highway पे चलाया, मैंने inside cities, inner city में चलाया, and the feeling is still the same, very comfortable. So that's what I think of the bikes, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I shall see you the next time around.
अजीब लग रहा है ना मेरे को, इतना अजीब लग रहा है.
क्यों?
Like, I think the position of the bike is a little different, and the boxer is in the front. But that's going to be fun.